I'm going to show you how you can actually check the signal strength and the signal quality on your Redline decoder. So any channel that you have placed on, whether the channel is being unstable or is doing scratches, you can be hearing some sound but there's no picture out there. So you want to check the signal quality of those channels, all the channels on your decoder, to actually know where the problem might be coming from, either from the satellite dish, the LMB, or the cable and the F connector, or the TV providers as well. So here there's one thing that you should know. If the channels on your decoder, definitely they did a blind scan through the weather to actually get all those channels that is working on your decoder. And when it comes to the blind scan, we have a primary frequency where they use to track those satellites, and then after performing the blind scan, it's going to actually bring out other channel that is around that frequency. So most often there will be some channels working and others not be working or not be stable, which actually indicate that that frequencies that is around those primary signal is not that stable. Or if the primary signal is what is giving you that problem, it actually indicates that there is a fault on your satellite dish. So you need to check to stabilize the satellite dish to actually get all the channels working. So what you have to do, if one particular channel is unstable and you want to check the signal strength of it, all you got to do is to first place on that particular channel, let's say the Energy TV over here, you place on it, you press OK on it, and then after placing it on that channel, the next thing you have to do is to press on the menu on the remote. It's going to take you to the menu. Use the arrow left and right, top and down keys to actually navigate through the menu. And from the menu here, you look for installation. You can use these steps on your FTA decoder as well. So you look through the menu and then put it on installation. You press OK on the installation, and here you go straight to antenna settings and then you press OK on it. So on this page, you don't need to change anything. The main focus is to check the signal strength and the signal quality. So those indicators, red and green over there, the quality, that's the kill over there, which is 90% over there. So if it's below 60% or it goes up and then comes down to, let's say, 40, 30, and it turns red, which means that it's not stable. But after checking it like this and it's unstable, the next thing you have to do is to go back to check the primary frequency. So this is multi-TV channel. So multi-TV have their primary frequency. That's 12525 vertical 30K. So we have other TPs that is around the multi-TV. So as you can see, this particular channel is not on the multi-TV exact frequency. They are using 11135 vertical 30K. So you go straight to the multi-TV, you pick one of the multi-TV channels to place on it to check if that is also behaving the same way. Then you can go straight to know that the program is coming from the satellite dish or the cable or the LMB. So you place it on multi-TV channel, this part of the multi-TV channel. So the multi-TV start from the Joy Prime, starting from the Joy Prime down here. So you place it on one of the channels, so let's say Adon TV. And then you go straight to the menu to check the signal strength and then the signal quality. So after coming here and knowing that you're having a stable signal on it, but some of the channels are unstable, all you got to do is to place on that particular channel, and then you go to the satellite dish to adjust it a bit to actually get enough of the signal that is around that particular frequency. But you have to be careful not to be losing the multi-TV signal. I mean the multi-TV signal on their frequency whilst adjusting to get enough of the signal of that particular channel. So for you to solve this problem, if the channel is unstable and you find out that all the channels on your decoder is actually unstable, the first thing that you need to do is to actually connect the cable at the back of the decoder really well. most often the cable or the F connector around the cable is not well fixed. So after fixing the F connector and the cable really well onto the LNB import of your Redline decoder, and you are still experiencing the same unstable channel, the next thing is to adjust the satellite dish to get a stable signal, and you are good to go. And if this happens to be that only one particular channel is not having a stable signal or a stable picture, and all the channels around it are working perfectly, you have to know that the problem is coming from the TV providers, and there's nothing that you can do to fix the problem. So all you got to do is to wait for them to actually fix the problem for the channel to start working perfectly. So that's it for today. If today happens to be your first time being on this channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, you like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching. Bless up.